Hey guys, welcome to a new video, and this is Big Bass NJ, and here we have Big Bass FL, meaning Big Bass Florida, and then I'm Big Bass New Jersey. And today we're going to be at a pond, and we have these custom fishing poles. We just put tape over them, and then we tied a hook to them. So let's try it out. Crap, I didn't get a good cast. Oh, that looks like a cool fish right there. Had good stripes on it. Oh, God. I hate these sunnies. Yeah, they're always sunnies. They're just like green sunfish. Okay, sorry about that. I lost my thing. Here we got a sunny, a green sunny. You could tell it's a green sunny because they have a big mouth. And
no, you could tell by these stripes right here.
Yeah, it's
Along
stripes.
the fucking.
Okay.
Oh, sorry guys.
Yeah, you could see the blue stripes, and then they have big mouths too.
I'm gonna get a lot of comments. Just touch the freaking thing. Yeah, sorry guys.
Yeah, that's like actually a really big size for this lake. You can see there's all little ones swimming around. Awesome. So we're gonna try again. I don't like using custom fishing poles, but oh, there we go. Come on. Oh, okay, we're back. I keep losing it. I can't catch one fish today. Oh, look at that little grasshopper. Where'd it go? Grasshopper. Before there was an inchworm crawling up the tree right there. And we could have used it as bait, but whatever, we did. Oh, they're hitting. They're hitting hard.
Oh, if you guys look over there, there's a snapping turtle.
Oh yeah, there he is. Right. There he is. You could see him. He's right there. Comes here every once in a while. If worse comes to worse, and if we hurt the sunny really bad, we just feed it to the snapping turtle. We just drop it. So hopefully it doesn't happen, because nobody would really like doing that. So drop one in. Oh, oh crap.
They're freaking huge.
Oh, shoot. Shit. Oh, that sunny. That turtle. Watch it just staring at the nice bait. Oh, there's a baby. Oh, look at that.
Almost fell in. That would have not been good.
Dude, look, there's a baby right there. Do you see him?
Yeah.
That's sick. I guess they have a nest somewhere. Yeah, they haven't been really like coming around here, and this is usually where they stay. I guess they go farther out. No.
Oh!
That was a big one. Almost got him. Okay. I'm gonna go a little bit over here. I'm not so good with custom fishing poles. Like, I'm really bad with them. I'm gonna go over here. The best. Okay. Oh, that's a big one right there. Oh, hello, little snapping turtle. The baby's over here. He's looking for sunnies to eat. He's just newborn right now. Oh, nice second catch. My cousin just caught one.
Whoa, that's
Oh,
huge.
nice. I got one. We're gonna throw him over.
And guys, if you guys want to go to your local farm, you can make sure there's sunnies in them. And sunnies are pretty aggressive.
Yeah. Yeah, they're just small fish. Not many people care about them. The sunnies are really cool. Mr. Flippy Flop. It's okay. It's okay. Okay. Show you how to unhook him. Oh, he's already unhooked. Oh, well, that's a pretty good size. Sunny. He's about the size of my hand. Right here. So, yeah. Throw him back in. First catch of the day for me. Second catch for him. Bass. Largemouth bass. If anything, those kind of would look mostly like smallmouth bass because their mouths aren't the biggest. Well, I'm gonna be right back. There you go.
Third catch for me.
Nice.
And he just came off.
Yeah, that happens a lot. The sunnies just come right off a lot of the time. Little guy. There.
And guys, if you guys look, I think I might have told you, but I think these are greenbacks. You could tell by the green stripes on them. And they're just a lighter color than normal sunnies.
Yeah. You know, most people would be like, that's not a green stripe. But it almost is. Like, it's more like
Ooh, there's big ones.
greenish blue. Really? There's the bed right there.
There he goes.
Okay, I'm gonna set up my bait. Okay. Here we go. So here's what we're gonna be using most of the time. We're gonna be using this power bait, trout bait, and it's pretty cool. It attracts the sunny pretty good. And over here we have the salmon eggs. I'll show you guys that later. I'm not gonna be using salmon eggs at all.
Oh, that was huge.
Wait, did you get
Oh
it?
my god.
You caught him?
No.
Oh, yeah. Once my friend caught a huge sunny in here. Compared to all the other ones, it was really big. So, it's like a normal sunny size. He caught. Where is he? You there? Oh, nice.
Third catch, I mean fourth catch.
Fuck. Am I falling? The pole just fell in. You guys can see. Okay, we're back. My poles aren't good now. Piston pole. Because it's all wet and there's seaweed on it. So there's sunny right there, isn't a bad size. Oh, that's a big one. That's a big one. Oh, I got him.
You got it? Oh, that's the one.
Oh, this is a big one. He just sits in a bed.
Yeah.
He just sits there. Okay, guys, I'm gonna show you how to unhook this. They're mostly gonna be fighters. They're gonna try to fight you. Oh, look, I barely even hooked him. You see, I hardly hooked him right here. So, what you wanna do, you don't rip it out, but you kind of just put it to the angle. Okay, you put it to the angle where you want it to get out, and then you just push it. You push the hook until it comes out. Okay. Did I get him out? I don't know yet. Crap, this is hard. Sorry about this. I got this all over. Okay, hi.
Fifth? You gonna go with?
Crap. Sorry about this. Hey guys, I got him out. It's a big sunfish, about the size of my camera. You could see green sunfish have a big mouth here. You could hold them. Don't worry, it won't hurt them. Just kind of paralyzes them. And yeah, it's cool. Okay. Gonna drop them back in.
Guys, I'm just gonna steal this camera real fast. Show you this little guy's release. Can you switch the angles on it? Huh? There you go.
Released it elsewhere.
Here goes.
Yeah, so there's a cool sunfish. I just caught my second sunfish of the day. Sunfish are like really easy to catch. You just drop it in and then you have them. You don't even need to move it. You just drop it and they'll just attack.
Yeah, but not necessarily. We're just lucky because, I mean, that's jackpot right there. I mean, I just throw it in with the hook, but when you're not catching them with the hook, you use some of this, dude, and I mean, they'll take it. Look, I'm gonna hook right now.
Yesterday, we caught a bunch of fish just using a hook in here. Cause like as soon as they see the splash, they just run to it. Then you just hook them. That was my bait.
Alright, take some out.
Hey guys, so that's all for today's video. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. My first fishing video. Yeah, I just put him in there.
Let's see if I can catch one here.
Yeah, I dropped
He
it.
probably won't take it. But like, this is what happened.
I just put it like right in front of his mouth and he got it.
Yeah, see, this is what happens with them.
Yeah, they become smart and they don't want it anymore.
Well, after a while, he'll start to eat again, but
Yeah, right now they're just scared. So yeah, that's all for today's video, and we'll see you guys next time. And next time we'll probably